Depending on the area where you live, Craigslist could be a viable option not only to list your home for sale, but also to advertise your open houses. So you come in here to Craigslist.org and make sure that you go to your local area, and then you'll need to create an account. Click on My Account, follow the directions there if you don't already have an account. If you do, go ahead and click on My Account and sign in. Then you're going to come over here to the real estate for sale, and you're going to come up here to post. So you're going to click on post, and that's going to let you post a new home, and you're going to click on housing offered. And that's going to take you to real estate by owner. And now you get your listing details here. And so you'll want to go ahead and do the mail relay. That means that they're going to forward any email to you so you don't show your real email address. Go ahead and select by phone. Let buyers contact you by phone. You can also do by text if you're used to texting as well. And so put your phone number in. And then you can put your contact name here too. Now for your title, I recommend that you put open house if you're advertising your open house. And then your address. And then the city name if you live in a specific area. And then you'll need to put in your postal code. And then in the body of your email, go ahead and just copy and paste the same listing details that you have in Zillow. I'll go ahead and copy and paste that. But at the top, you want to go ahead and advertise the open house. So I'm going to put open house. And then I'm going to put open house this Saturday, 1 to 4 p.m. I'm going to have that right at the top. Now in the details, go ahead and fill out all your details. Select your open house date here. I recommend only doing one at a time because you want to delete this listing and then repost it the next time you want to advertise your open house. That way it moves it up to the top of the listings. Choose your housing type here. And then furnished, no smoking, wheelchair accessible. Now down here where it says street, cross street, and city, you want to put your address in here. And then put the closest cross street. Now this is going to allow it to show up on a map. That way you don't have to continually answer questions on how to get to your home. You're going to get those, but this should help cut down on some of those. Now you're going to click on continue. Now you're probably thinking, well, where do I put the photos at? So I have this here. That's good. Now it's going to let you add the images. So you're going to add whatever images that you want to add up here. I recommend going to add as many as you can. And so you can add up to 24. You would just simply click on add images, and then you would select your images. I'm not going to do them for the purposes of this demonstration. And then you're going to click on done with images. Now you have your listing here. So you have all the information, and then you just simply click on publish, and that's it. You have published your open house. Now since you're trying to get this at the top, I recommend doing your listing on Craigslist the day before. So do this on Friday, sometime during the day. That way then people looking for open houses on Saturday, they're more likely to see yours. If you do it earlier in the week, then it's going to be way down in the listings and people probably won't see your open house. And if you need to go back and make any changes, you can click on Manage Your Post. Craigslist will typically send you an email with that link as well. And that's all you need to know to post your open house to advertise it on Craigslist.